interrupt your regularly scheduled program to bring you some breaking news. I'm Spruce Threads. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to send it out to a reporter that's currently live on the scene in Oklahoma City, where there's been reports of a massive boom. Thank you, Spruce. Yes, I'm here live on the scene in front of the Legit Kits warehouse where there has been reports of a boom here in Oklahoma City. And I'm being told that the boom actually stands for Block of the Month. Yes, this is the first Legit Kits Block of the Month, and it could not be more exciting. What's going to be taking place here over the next 12 months. They're going to be shipping out individual pieces of a quilt that go into a full quilt. At least that's what I'm being told. So for 12 months, you can purchase a full kit for $39.99 per month. So if you've ever wanted to get into doing a legit kit, this is the time to do it, to get started, because you'll get that first kit at $39.99 a month, and then the next kit at $39.99 a month, all 12 months for $39.99 a month. You won't want to miss that. If you just want to do a digital pattern, I'm being told you can do that as well. You can download the pattern each month for $4.99, but you have to bring your own fabric for that one. And then finally, there is a full kit and digital that you can purchase. And for that is going to be $42.99 per month, but that gives you the full kit, fabric included, everything included, paperwork included, and then it also gives you a digital copy, so that way you can either make it again or have a backup copy or whatever you want to do with that digital copy. It's going to run, like I said, for 12 months, so it's going to be a full year of boom with Legit Kits. You won't want to miss that. And if you use the code IAN, I-A-N, in all caps, if you use that discount code when you check out, you can get 10% off your first month of the Legit Kit boom. You won't want to miss that. I mean, that's a great deal, right? So make sure to do that. Use the code IAN when you check out. That's going to be your coupon code. This is going to be, I'm being told that this is the only way to get this pattern is to sign up for the Block of the Month. This Color Vortex pattern, this is the only way to get it, and it is exclusive to the boom. So don't miss out on that, because you're not going to want to miss this pattern and this legit kit. It is too legit to quit, if I do say so myself. Lots going on out here at the Legit Kits warehouse, where there's going to be a lot of activity over the next 12 months. But I got to tell you, I'm being told once again that this will close. You can only sign up through May 21st. That's May 21st, 2023. You won't want to miss it. Sign up today. Use that code IAN, and that'll get you your 10% discount. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. This has been Pat Turn, live at the Legit Kit warehouse. Thank you, Pat. It seems like it is still a very active scene out there. Well, folks, make sure to stay tuned to this channel to get any updates as they become available. Have a good day.